Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a message. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So today we will be doing a African Orisha message. All right. So remember to take what resonates. What does not resonate for you, just leave it right here. I did use a random DIY Oracle deck. I use my African Orisha DIY deck as well. I use my Beyond the Dead Oracle. And I use some other oracles. All right. But this message is definitely as the cards was coming out and I was receiving the downloads and Spirit was talking to me, it's like a story, or it kind of like flows into each other. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into it. The Orisha that I have here is Ayelala. Okay, I think that's how it's pronounced. Okay, or Ayelala, something like that. Okay, so punishes crime and goddess of justice and retribution. Okay, so let's get into what came out in the message. Okay, so first and foremost, we have the Two of Cups. Okay, so this could definitely surround some sort of partnership, okay, some sort of unified love, some sort of connection, okay? So there could be some sort of justice that is playing out when it surrounds a partnership, okay? You could also be, I was hearing that you could be a feminine energy who is in this energy of the goddess, bringing in justice and retribution, okay, bringing in some sort of karma, okay? So I was picking that up for some of you as well, okay? So Cancer energy could be significant also, all right? Following that, we have Unthinkable, okay? So that song by Alicia Keys could definitely be significant, okay? Or there could have been maybe something that transpired that was like the unthinkable when it surrounds some sort of partnership or some sort of marriage, okay? So that definitely could be significant, okay? Following that, we have Act of Love, okay? Self-care. So something could be significant here about you choosing you. Okay, I just now heard that loud and clear. Okay, so something about you choosing you with this act of love and self-care. Okay, maybe this was something that someone else didn't think you would do. Okay, I'm getting that. All right. We then have the real McCoy. Okay, so you are someone who is, you're just yourself, okay? You don't have to put on no front. You don't have to be something you're not, okay? Something could also be significant about people or someone who is stunned by this energy, okay? Following that, we have Live and Learn, okay? So I feel like all of this has come about after you having to learn some sort of lessons, okay? Experience, training, and development. The number 27 could be significant. The number 9 could be significant, okay? So you going through some sort of stages. This development, this experience, this training is giving me life, okay? Lifing, okay? So you going through the stages of life, okay? And you having to take on and learn different lessons, okay? It's significant. We then have I Can't, okay? So like I said, you chose you, okay? You cut away at things that you could no longer deal with, okay? Maybe you thought that this was something that you weren't capable of doing, okay? I'm getting this too with that I can't energy, okay? But you definitely did the unthinkable, okay? So we then have Kissing Ass, okay? So with this Kissing Ass card following behind I Can't, I'm getting, like I said, people who manipulative energy, okay, love bombing energy, gaslighting energy. I'm getting off of this card, okay, and you're saying you're walking away from this, okay, you no longer, and two, you accepting mediocre, okay, so this Kissing Ass could definitely describe an energy that you were once in, okay, where you were just accepting this and accepting that, and staying quiet and not having boundaries and, this, that, and the other. That's the energy I'm picking up, okay? But I feel like with this justice and retribution here, it's definitely talking about something your ancestors is bringing in, you being redeemed is significant. You being vindicated is significant. Okay. So we then have something new. So yeah, that further clarifies this kissing ass. Okay. You're looking for something new, or you know, just not not the same. Okay. You're not the same. So you're not looking for the same. Okay. Following that, we have communication. Okay, so there could be some sort of communication that could be coming in. And maybe you have found something new, or you're into something new. This could talk about anything. This could surround things that make you happy. This could be a hobby, okay, because it is falling right beside self-care with this communication. I'm getting like maybe a hobby, maybe you speaking your mind even is significant. Okay, I'm getting that for some of you. We then have south side. Okay, so you could be from the south side of your city, state, or town. Okay. Or something could be significant about the south side of town. Okay, maybe where you live or something of that nature. Somebody who's from the south side, maybe there's some sort of communication coming in from a person who is from the south side or from the south. Okay. Following that, we have aid. Okay, so someone could want to help you out, okay, or vice versa. Okay, maybe offer some sort of aid. Okay, mercy, charity, and kindness is significant. The number 17, someone could view you as a star energy. Okay, so that could be significant. Someone could, like, some sort of healing could definitely be significant. Whatever this communication is could definitely be healing. Okay, I'm getting as well, all right, in a certain aspect for some of you, all right. We then have bloodline. Okay, so this aid could also talk about your ancestors. Okay, with the bloodline clarifying the aid card. Okay, so there could be like maybe soul family I'm getting for some of you. Okay, so your soul family could definitely be significant. A soulmate or soulmates could be significant as well, I'm getting. But something about your ancestors helping you when it pertains to whatever this mercy, this charity energy, this kindness is. Okay, we then have spiritual. Okay, so like I said, something about your ancestors here aiding you. Also, this spiritual card is talking about this punishes for crimes. Okay, so some sort of judgment call is definitely being laid down, handed down. Okay, someone could be being laid down, but we have chaos, ego death. Okay, downward spiral, spiritual awakening. Okay, so whatever this is, it could have definitely taken you through some sort of spiritual awakening. Okay, also I'm getting that justice and retribution energy off of this chaos. Okay, this ego death and this downward spiral. Okay, so people are under judgment with this energy. Okay, and you're being aided. Your bloodline is aiding you. Okay, they're also you going through a spiritual awakening help you to renew as well. I'm hearing that. We then have mind of a maniac. Okay, so something could be significant here about someone who is mentally ill. I heard incapacitated, and I don't even use that word. Okay, but something about this person going through some sort of chaos, a downward spiral as well. Some sort of ego death is significant. All right. Following that, we have play. Okay, so someone could have wanted to play mind games. All right, someone could have thought that it was wise to play some sort of mind games because the mind is sticking out to me off of the mind of the maniac card. Okay, so someone thought it would be wise to do this because someone could be childish. The man on this card is on a rocking horse. It's a grown man on a rocking horse. Okay, so something could be significant about that. Something could also be significant about a fallen angel because this man also has wings on his back, and that's sticking out to me. Okay, someone could be from the south side of town. Someone also could have played around with some sort of communication as well. Okay, whether this was like over the phone, DM, text message, email, actually a mail. Okay, like USPS, some sort of mailing services. I'm getting that too. Okay, because we have signed, sealed, and delivered. Okay, so with this energy, I'm getting, like I said, something about mail. Someone tampering with someone's mail is definitely significant here. Okay, someone could have signed something also without consent. I'm getting that too. And also I'm getting with that signed, sealed, delivered, something being returned to sender. Okay. Following that, and that would talk about male too. So yeah, take what resonates, what doesn't, leave it here. We then have compromise, okay? So someone wanted to play some sort of game, someone wanted to get you to compromise or vice versa, okay? Even though, you know, this person has the mind of a maniac, okay? Someone is delusional, all right? Also, with that sign still delivered, this compromise card talks about agreement, okay? So something could be significant here about contracts, okay? So something surrounding a contract here, okay? Something could be significant about a third party situation as well, all right? The number 33 could be significant too, okay? Following that, we have redemption, okay? So whatever this is, like I said, your ancestors, your bloodline is being redeemed. Your ancestors are redeeming you, okay? They are vindicating you and bringing you justice, okay? Following that, we have too late. So yeah, Spirit is saying that whomever this mind of the maniac is that's going down this downward spiral, it's too late for whoever this is, okay? Because whomever this is, we have the in harm's way. Someone put you in harm's way, okay? In some way, shape, or form, and now you're being vindicated, okay? Following that, we have important, okay? So something here, like I said, surrounding mail, a piece of mail was tampered with, or some sort of document, important document was tampered with, okay? Something that you were supposed to receive, something that was supposed to get to you, okay, was tampered with, all right? Following that, we have under the influence, okay? So someone could have been coached into doing this, okay, or puppeted into doing this. Okay, also something could be significant, confirmation with the tap. Something could be significant here about someone driving under the influence as well, and something unfortunately backfiring, okay? Something of that nature, okay? Following that, we have fate. So yeah, like I said, someone's fate has been sealed. Okay, when it pertains to this, it's too late, okay, because your bloodline is redeeming you, okay, with the fate card here. Someone could definitely be getting some sort of readings, okay. The number 10 could definitely be significant, which does talk about completion, okay. So this is the end of a cycle, you closing out something, okay, as well. A masculine could be significant, okay, or a group of masculines, someone in the spotlight, someone with, you know, public image or any of that could definitely be significant with the 10th house here, okay. Capricorn, Saturn energy as well. To further clarify this, we have all fall down. So these people can already know what's fated for them, okay, whoever this energy is, whoever these energies are, okay, because we have all fall down, clarifying the fate card, okay. Following that, we have illness, okay? So yeah, someone here could be falling ill, or someone here could be sick, okay? I'm just the messenger, but this is redemption, okay? Your bloodline is working, okay? And then we have blood brothers, all right? So something could be significant here about, like I said, with that 10th house masculine energy, okay? So some masculines, blood brothers, I did mention contracts because I'm picking up contractual agreements as well, okay, whether they're false or whatever, but something significant here. Oath could definitely be significant. Thank you, Spirit. So something about blood brothers falling ill or some sort of sickness is significant. Whatever this is, it's fated, okay? So that's everything I have for you when it comes to this reading. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.